If you need to organize notes, compare ideas or structure information clearly, OneNote makes it quick and easy to insert a table right onto your page. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a table in Microsoft OneNote in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful OneNote tips and easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the page where you want to add your table. It can be a blank page or an existing note page where you want to keep your information organized. Once you're on the right page, look at the top ribbon menu and click the Insert tab. This is where OneNote keeps the tools for adding extra content like files, pictures, links and tables. After you click Insert, find the Table button in the ribbon and click it. When you do that, a grid will appear showing different row and column options. Now move your mouse cursor over the grid boxes to choose the size of the table you want. For example, if you want a 4x3 table, just hover until the grid highlights the correct number of columns and rows. Once the layout looks right, left-click your mouse and OneNote will instantly place the table onto your page. From there, you can start typing into each cell and use it to organize lists, compare data, or build a clean note layout. If you need to add more information later, you can continue typing in the table and keep your notes structured and easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a table in Microsoft OneNote. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.